Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you all about tools that make your life easier? I sure am, and anything that saves me from bending over is a definite added bonus. I got this little magnetic telescoping tool from Grip, and it has been amazing. Who knew such a small thing could make such a difference? Well, now I do. Even though this is small, it packs a big punch. So this will actually pick up to 25 pounds. Now, generally I don't need to be picking up 25 pounds of metal around my yard, but it's nice to know it can do it if I need it. I've mainly been using this to pick up errant nails and screws that we lost while we've been renovating out in our warehouse. And we had a burn pile earlier this year and there's lots of metal still on the ground from that. So I've been using this to do a lot of cleanup and it has been awesome. I'm also a seamstress and I drop needles all the time, so I've been using this to pick them up and it's been really great. If you don't already have this in your life, you really need it. You are going to use it so many different ways, and that's my point of view.